Oh, sorry. The video of that lady saying calm down with her head in the window. That white lady. You didn't see it? That shit's funny.
No. My eyes burn every time I come outside. Hey guys, and welcome to today's vlog. Today we're going to Meyondong and to Boiling Crab because I want some clams. And I don't know why the camera was. I just probably need a new camera. My camera is like destroyed. But yeah, I'm gonna give a proper introduction to the vlog. I'll be forgetting. But yeah, I'm at the train station right now, waiting for the train. That was supposed to come at 2:09. It's like 2:15 and it still isn't here. So I don't know what the fuck is going on. But yeah, and I'm gonna do trying street food. So I might even try octopus for y'all or squid. I'm lying, but I might. We'll see. But we're gonna go to Meyondong and all this like food places that are out on the side of the street.
It's my fault. That's why I'm saying sorry.
She thinks it's cute that her driver almost hit my kid. And she thinks she needs to take a video of it. Instead of apologizing like a snake, stopping in the middle of the road is gonna help. You being a bitch is gonna help. I would say. I don't know, calm down. Calm down.
It's okay, I'm sorry. It's
People is in Korea. Like people bump you, they push you, they kind of rude, honestly. So you just gotta bump their ass back. Don't be nice to their ass. But this is coming off the train station. Holy shit. Oops.
Start butt dialing your people from work.
I know, talking shit. And now we're transferring to line number 4 so we can get to Meyondong. I don't know why my camera looks so shitty, but yeah. People, they will bump you right out the way and not give 2 fucks. Like Ajimas, the old ladies be ready to fight you. Like, what's up? You got an issue because I pushed you? Shoot your shit. But yeah, hopefully we don't miss this thing. Train, hopefully there's a seat. Usually when you transfer, there ain't no seats no more. Like, ugh. I like to just stay on the train the whole time. Now we're going back down some stairs.
Todd, can you play that again?
You just gotta be word. Baby girl, you just gotta be word.
Hold up.
You gotta be word. 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 You gotta be word.
I guess Forever 21 is having some type of like, I don't know, clothes. I don't know if they closing, they're just having a sale, but everything in here is like $3, $5, $7, however. Everything is like ugly, so yeah. They don't even got the fitting room open, but yeah, everything is like empty, like they don't got shit. So I guess I'm going to just go to H&M.
I wonder if it's clothing or they're changing seasons.
Todd, can you play that again?
You just gotta be
Korea is the place to shop, okay, hunty? Period. Off-white. Are these supposed to be Balenciagas? They got the Gucci's, the
Balenciagas.
Fucci's.
Balenciagas.
Oh.
Oh, they covered it.
They got the granddaddy shoes right here, so your feet can be cold, but you still be stylish. These are cute, low key. I'm finna pop out with the Lucci's on y'all ass. Fuck you mean? Usually I have pretty good luck in H&M, so now I'm in H&M and see what I can find. I really just came in here for like some basic hoodies, cause it's getting cold really fast. So, all right. Yeah, so we gonna see what we can find in H&M. I need some black distressed denim pants. That's what I need in my life. And some white ones. Oh, they got mad beanies over here. It's already the season. I also need some turtlenecks, but I want a tight turtleneck. These turtlenecks like loose. $29 for a turtleneck, y'all are tripping. Okay, I can deal with 19 compared to 29. Looks for H&M because H&M got extra, when they got extra small, and they got petite size, and they got Asian style. You know, Asian women are really tiny. So like in Korea, I'm gonna be like, could just say they all got Asian size. Okay, I'm trying to post y'all up so y'all can see what I got to try on. I'm probably definitely not gonna buy all this shit, but like just so y'all can see me. Can't really see. That's great. So y'all can kind of see me here, but these are so cute. They're like a little bit too big. Like these are a 34, but I need a 32, but they fit nice. But they're a little big. Like I'll have to wear a belt, but that's not bad because I have a new belt that I can wear actually. But these are cute. And it gave me a little booty right there. I'm getting a little weight, y'all. These are cute. I might have to get these and just wear a belt. See, these fit perfect. They don't got the distressed denim in it. Now I'm not gonna know which one I want, but these kind of feel like leggings. I don't know, y'all. This angle making my wiggle. I'm gonna have to get both. Ooh, got a little cuffy cuff. See this jacket. Ooh, this is cute. It feels soft. You get to spend money on accident. I came here for a hoodie. Y'all, this jacket, it seems like a good jacket. It's originally 69,000 won, and now it's 35,000 won. So that's like 27 bucks. Let's see if I like it. I do like it. Ooh. Bro, God, bro. Oh. This is cute. They call my coat. Yeah. So I gotta get this one. I don't gotta get the tan one, but I gotta get the black. What's on sale, right? I mean, I gotta get it. The 2 black dinners, I can pick between one. Probably go with this dress one. However, I do need a solid pair too. But I can go with this. But I don't need the tan jacket. I can go without the tan. But it's so cute. Oh my God. Girl, first of all, these some cute leggings, but I don't need these, right? But they are cute.
I mean, I feel like you have a lot of black leggings.
Because I don't need them. These are some like silky. I'm showing the vlog too, like, because they can see me like here. Reflection.
Oh, that's kind of cute.
Yeah, this jacket is on sale for 35,000 won, and it's cute as fuck.
Okay, so I'm not doing too bad.
I got mixed feelings about these. I don't know. Definitely don't give me no booty, but they're with a cute shirt.
Okay, maybe not.
This would be cute.
Oh, my bad. Talking to the vlog.
It's fine. But nah, it's not cute. But look, what'd you think? Like, yeah, with a cuter shirt.
No, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
I don't dress like this, but it's fit. It actually fit. Okay. I think it's on sale for like $5 too. Yeah, so this is like $5. Yeah, I think I like this. I think I like these. With a cuter shirt, it'll be cute. Let me move y'all back a little bit. See the mirror. But yeah. Oh, and it got pockets. These are cute too, but I feel like I don't need them. But they are really cute, and I love the way H&M jeans fit me because I'm so skinny. This is how skinny bitches be inside the dressing room when she actually fit a booty. Look at these.
Oh yeah, those are cute.
Look at my butt. It look good.
I forgot Korea is like
Asian
sizing
style.
is- yeah.
That's cute, but you really gonna wear that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I almost. You gotta see my ugly skirt. My Christmas skirt.
Y'all. I'm dying. So that means I just gotta get one black one then. I think I'm gonna get the distressed ones. First of all, everything I picked up is cute. I'm about to cry. Oh my God. Look. I like this too.
How much is that one?
I'm about to be broke. Oh my God. That means. Whoa. Damn.
I don't think you heard me, but I said if this was America, I would already hit a lick. Cause nobody's down here. That shit, all that shit would have been in my bag.
Look, I can't get it. If this the price, we'll be fucked up.
Oh fuck no.
Yeah.
Better off getting the fur.
That's what I'm saying.
Why that jacket so expensive?
This, cause it's Ariana. Thank you, next.
Thank you, next.
Oh, something on the back. I didn't even know she was on the back of my shirt.
What?
She's on the back of it. And it's kind of cute.
She not with me.
But it looks so cute with these jeans. Oh my God, what am I gonna do?
When did H&M come with pink?
It always did. In Korea, not in States.
Not from then.
Not in the States.
Jacket would be good too. shoot, yeah.
How much is that one? I'm gonna have to get that.
Huh?
25?
That's why I said I kept picking up shit like, damn, it's cute, it's cute, it's cute. My ugly
Let me
shirt-
try it on. I have to take it off. So I can go get it. Was there more than one?
I got it.
So I can wear it.
If you don't stain it.
I just gotta put it on first before I do my face.
I don't know if they had extra small though.
That's what I'm saying. Let me try it on. I want to see what it look like.
It won't look bad on me because it's fitted on me. Honestly, it'll probably shrink too. So
I don't need this one.
what's that?
This a crew.
How much is it?
The price. It's thin.
15.
No, that's not bad.
It's not bad, but it's, I mean, it's up to you.
It's kind of
If it
cute.
was like
These
$8,
pants.
I'd be more excited.
Yeah, I like this too, y'all. This is cute. 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 Why is it every time you come in the store to shop, they never have nothing? When you come in here just get one thing, the store be hitting licks. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what the fuck. All right, so I think I'm gonna end up getting these jeans. So you gotta pick between my two black ones, alright? Station. You gotta pick between my two black jeans. That's cute too.
I wanted a plain one, but they didn't have smalls in the plain. Because I bought me.
What if you?
I got me
Oh, you want the
sweats.
female ones? That's right. So there's female ones upstairs.
Yeah.
I got one.
Let me see.
Is it different? No, this is black. It's regular.
Okay.
When y'all start, my lashes look crazy. I know when y'all start putting outfits together. Oh, I got this. I got the turtleneck on with the keys. You feel me? Period. Whole lot. Yes, sir. I might have to do it. Now, look, y'all. Now it's time for me to start bringing. My lashes look crazy in this light. It's time for me to bring up the calculator to see if I'm really gonna buy all this shit or not. The sad truth. Hey, you need some because you was
That's what I'm saying.
I like this.
I wish they had a little flavor to them. They're just plain.
Yeah, I like this.
I just want to go out now.
Yeah, outfits.
Yeah, we got outfits, but we should just save it.
Go out where? You're wasting your outfit going out and fucking what's the call it this tonight?
I'm flexing on my friends. They was digging my
Hoodie.
I wish I had my hat.
Yeah, I
look so
saw
plain.
you. I was like, Jesus. To buy or not to buy everything that I liked. You know I'm about it, bitch, because listen. Shit coming in too clutch, but that's that club we gotta start adding shit up like bitch, you want too much money or not. Okay, anyway. Yeah, I'll be back. Dang, I don't think I want that jacket too. I want it all. I'm ugly as fuck. I'm sad. I want these two $69 jackets. That's too much. That's just, I'm gonna be mad at myself. And this Thanksgiving coming up, I gotta buy all the food for Thanksgiving.
저희 교환이나 환불은 귀걸이 제외하시고 정품매장에서 30일 이내에 전부 다 가능하세요. 감사합니다. 안녕히 가세요. 사랑코인님 결제 도와드릴게요. 안녕하세요. 저희 분들 100원인데 혹시 필요하실까요? 네, 비닐로 된 거 있어요. Do you need a bag for this?
Yes.
총 1,100원 해드릴게요.
Charge you for bags? Okay. Alright, y'all. We got the Korean money out. We about to go taste this great food on the street. Probably spend like, I don't know, not that much, but we gonna taste it like maybe 3-4 things. Let's go, y'all. Gotta taste the good stuff. First thing up is gonna be beef steak. What side are we supposed to be on? Oh yeah, this side. I don't know. I'm confused.
성경을 위해 간단히 준비한 노동시간 단축 현장 지원단 지금 신청하세요.
It might be broke. 안녕하세요. How much was it? 7,000. So go. It's hot. Tastes good. My turn. Watch out. Dripping on my new jacket. Oh, it's hot. A little fat. Take it off. Alright. Oh, it's broken. I think it's broken. Right. Next one looks gross as fuck to me. This is the egg bun. So we're gonna try it. Egg bun for 2,000 won. Here, I got this one so we can do every other. 안녕하세요. You can see it was pretty good because I... Huh? Oh, the light is good? I would say it was good because I downed the stick. Thank you. Alright, here we go. Thank you. Alright, you ready? What's in your... Oh. What you talking about? Oh, the egg bun. Oh, you said we was doing trying street food? Oh. I didn't really say it. You're gonna be full. It's yolky. What do you think?
It tastes the egg. It's not bad. It is like cornbread.
Okay, my turn. I'm about to do a boomerang. Phone's up. Camera. Take it. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, cut off? No. You want to finish it? Oh. You can finish it. You want me to finish? I'm gonna try this now. Oh, this is ice cream.
Oh, yeah. Can I get ice cream? And can you add a strawberry? Can I get ice cream?
Strawberry ice cream.
No.
Strawberry. What kind of ice cream do you want?
Chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate ice cream?
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
And add strawberry.
Can you add strawberry?
Yeah, this one. Ice cream strawberry.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
This one?
Yes.
Yes.
But chocolate ice cream.
Yes. But chocolate.
7.
Okay.
바나나 뿌리는 아이스 크림 초콜릿?
Chocolate. Yes. 감사합니다.
Thank you.
Good?
Doesn't taste like chocolate.
No?
Good though. It's weird. Come on.
Taste the waffle. Ooh, very good.
Yeah? Must be fresh.
It's crunchy.
Okay. Got it out the oil. Put cheese on it.
Is cheese on it? Oh.
That's good.
It tasted it?
There.
What? For me?
I was gonna let you bite the top. Not it. I don't like this one. It tastes like a Cheeto almost. No.
This is gonna be the last one, and I'm gonna try some hot ass chicken. You get to pick your flavor. Hello, good. You get to pick. So I'm gonna try the spicy bomb flavor. What is that? Hydrogen? I think that's a hydrogen bomb. Is that what it said?
Hi.
Hello. You want one?
Cherry
Your own? We have two. And the flavors. My camera died, as it would at the best part. But y'all gonna put the hydrogen bomb, spicy, and some teriyaki. This is gonna burn my mouth. I tried this before and it hurts. But just for you guys, I'm gonna do it. Alright, teriyaki to cool my mouth down after.
Oh, careful.
Shit. You are 10,000. Alright. I'm scared.
안녕하세요. 바비큐 치킨.
Maybe we should have got some water or something before. Put that chicken in, man.
Y'all, that is hot. I'm gonna take a break.
Taking like a stripper.
Update. This shit hot as fuck. And I like hot food. Oh my god. Okay. This is worse than blazing hot wings. I know it's inside right now. Okay. Last one. And I did it. I have to go hot one. She's about to try some squid. That's it for the street food.
Oh, I think it's a squid in there too, or a little one.
She's fucking disgusting. Let me get the water first so I can brush it down and wash it down. This tastes nasty. You ready?
No, I said that soda.
Or the soda, whatever, same difference.
Show the people the squid.
I did already. Ew. Ew. Oh my Jesus. Nasty? Not bad.
What's that? Your body? Gross. Soda.
It's nasty.
I really want to spit it out. There's so much going on, it's annoying the fuck out of me.
I know. Gross?
Yeah.
Get that up? That made me nauseous. Even go to the Golden Crab. I got my lipstick everywhere. My stomach hurt. I ate too much shit for to drink this soda. You have to get on the train, go to Golden Crab, eat dinner, and then that's the end of the vlog. So I'm gonna come back for Golden Crab, and then I'll end it there. But hope you guys are enjoying it. If y'all want me to do more videos like this, just comment down below, and I will. Kind of go to different like little cities and do shit like this. So hope you guys are enjoying it. My wig is too far back, but that's okay.